Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy. If you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And today I'm going to go shopping at Kirkland's and check out their new fall items. So come along with me. We're here at Kirkland's today, checking out the fall stuff. I really like that pillow and that leather chair. Thought that was pretty. I also really like this orange print down here with the white pumpkin line drawing. Very cool. Like that a lot. And then coming over here, I really like that copper looking sign, Autumn Harvest. I think that is really neat. You got the orange, white, and plaid little ceramic pumpkin kit. Hello Fall pillow. It's nice. Let's check out what's on the wall over here. Some more pillows and some more signs. I like that little box there with the candles in it. I really like that print up top there with the pumpkin drawing and then the gold and green. And then these pumpkins here, they look like sweaters, but they're ceramic. And I think those are kind of fun. Love this mustard color and these pumpkins here. Plus that kind of, what is that, a mauve color. I think those are pretty colors for this year. Some little fall mums. Again, I love this. I think this is a great DIY with Dollar Tree items. The velvet pumpkins and the glass candle holders. Great DIY there. And this print I really like a lot. The hello with the rust colored leaves in the background. Love that a lot. Really my style. We got some more buffalo check again. Back again. I don't think that's ever going to go out of style, I suppose. Some more pumpkins. And then the rugs are kind of nice. I really like this black and white one. I think that would look pretty underneath one of those brown, what is it, sisal rugs, I think is what they're called. And I feel like these monogram pumpkins they had last year, I don't know, they might be new. I like these raffia style pumpkins. And then looking at what's on this rotating sign here, I like the wooden beads. I feel like those are some DIYs you could do at home, replicate at home. Those banners with the pumpkins. I like getting ideas on the wreaths from there. Oh my gosh, these things were smelling amazing. So if you like these, then pick one of these up because it smelled great. And I love this pumpkin here. It's so soft and squishy. I like that top stitching there, or whatever that's called. And then this one smelled even more amazing, called Gather. That's the one that I would recommend that you go with for sure. I'm looking over on the wall again. I like the pumpkins where the top half is wood and the bottom part is white, and it has the letters on there. And their throws, I really like their throws. They're really soft. I like the colors. I think they're really nice. And they're, anywhere from 25 to 30 bucks. Which, I mean, you can get that at Marshall's. I mean, maybe you can get it for 20 bucks at Marshall's. But overall, I think those are a pretty decent price. Some more pillows that I think are nice. Pillows are expensive, y'all. Let me know where you find good, pretty cheap pillows. I really like this white glass container. It just spoke to me. I thought that was really pretty. And then they have some with some different finishes there. Thought those were nice. And here's some more pumpkins. This is cute. The pickup truck with the pumpkins in the back. It was really soft and squishy. Again, pretty pricey, I think. This one, this is my style, y'all. I love the fabric, that tweed almost kind of, or boucle fabric. Really like that. Love looking at their wreaths to get ideas because I really like to do DIY type of wreaths. Every now and again, if I find one that I just love at a store, I'll just buy it. But usually I try to just make one at home. I mean, it may not be as nice as theirs, but I think they are. I like them. Like that welcome to your patch sign. And these little ones down here, they're really small, 20 bucks. This is definitely a Dollar Tree DIY if you ask me. Really like the ribbon on this bow with the pumpkins and the give thanks. That's really nice. And that one's really pretty up there too. Nice and simple like that. They had a couple baskets with some little, acorns and pine cones. Thought those were cute. I collected a bunch of pine cones and acorns last year. Here's some wood slices in this one, and I think it was $12.99. Yeah, $12.99 for that one. And then another bag with things you can fill up vases and bowls. Again, I saw this blue color over at Hobby Lobby. Seeing some more of that blue again this fall. Liking that. I really like these wood vases right here. I think those are nice. Then I had trouble trying to get this thing back on with one hand. So y'all can see me struggling here for a minute. And then I finally just turned the camera off and fixed that. But like the staining on those beads. And then here's some more of those vases that wood finish. I think those were really pretty. I like those a lot. And then we have some more throw pillows. Throw pillows along the wall here. They're nice. Nothing, nothing fancy. I really liked these pumpkins here. I saw some leather at Hobby Lobby also. Really like that idea of adding a little leather touch to the pumpkin. And I'm going to try to do a DIY with that. Some more of those little wooden beads. And then I like these pumpkins down here. Again, looking like a sweater, but they're more ceramic. And this candle, you all, by the name of it, you wouldn't think it would smell very good, but it smelled great. And I really like these palms. I like that hint of pink in there. And these were, I just liked all of these fall. They're a little pricey, so I might see if I can catch them on sale, but I really like that big. And here's some smaller palm fronds. And some more of their fall dried flowers. And then I like this, what is that? Kitchen towels. I love the food and the black and white print on that. I think that's really nice. I think those are pretty classic. Again, looking at some of their kitchen items, like that sign down there, the bottom, that green. Just checking out these. This make memories one cork at a time. I like that. You could put your corks down in there, fill it up. Kind of cute. I like that buffalo plaid, the monogram. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked some of the fall items that I pointed out here at Kirkland's. Put down in the comments below what things caught your eye and what you might buy this year or even try to make yourself. Remember to hit that like button. It really does help my channel. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.